people are afraid of microwaves.
It's not that they're afraid of microwaves, that they're afraid of things they don't understand. Microwaves, this is a World War II attempt to communicate using microwaves. And they found out some guy's chocolate bar melted in the microwave field. They said, what happened there? And they did some more tests. And of course, the water molecule and other molecules common in food respond to microwaves. It vibrates them. And so you put food in a microwave cavity, the water content of the food vibrates, friction cooks the food.
So you don't have to worry about it. It's not doing anything to it. It's not sucking any nutrients out or adding any nuclear radiation.
Correct.